that's how I know. That's how I know. Yeah, that's how I know. 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 That's how I knew that I was different. That's how I know. 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 That's how I knew that I was different though. Rap fans, it's a different flow. Different deals, getting different dough. Yeah, my life, doing different shows. Catch a flight through my shit, hit a lick and go. Oh, now I got a different goal. Cause I reached all my overs. I be feeling like somebody reached out and chose us. I be killing life, nigga, we got it rolling. We popping post shit. Standing on the couches with my whole clique. Our jewelry on some 1994 shit. Champagne flutes watching go click. Afterwards, baby, fuck the whole clique. West Coast shit. On the master to these classics, death row shit. So when that check come, I get more chips. All money in, I went and got my own shit, nigga. That's how I know. 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 That's how I knew that I was different. That's how I know. 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 That's how I knew that I was different.
Right. And it's like, you can look a gift horse in the face and not know what you're looking at. And I feel like, I'm looking at the gift horse. I'm just one of the ones that notice what I'm looking at. You know what I mean? It's actually an incredible time. It's like a gold rush. There's never been a time like this in our generation. It's our equivalent of the gold rush when everybody moved to California. This technology has empowered everybody. It's giving people, it's as big as you want to make it. And, it's as far as you want to take it. And we could quote a gang of things going on in the world right now. Or just, accept it as being true. But, it's like, man, giants gonna crumble. Big companies gonna crumble. New companies gonna pop up out of nowhere. And it's gonna be dramatic right now. And I believe it.
That's how I know. 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 That's how I knew that I was different.